Did Mission's real estate market just freeze? The November numbers are in, and we're taking a closer look at what's really happening in the real estate market. Are buyers pulling back? No need to panic. Let's break it all down. I'm Irene, your Mission real estate expert, and today I'm diving into the latest market statistics and how they impact you and what to expect as we move towards 2025. I've got updates on local sales, price trends, and today's big news, December 11th, the Bank of Canada's decision to lower interest rates by 0.50%. Whether you're planning your next move or just staying informed, I'm here to help you. So let's get started. For buyers, the slower season is giving you time to explore options without the competition we see in the spring markets. With today's rate decrease, affordability is going to improve heading into 2025, making now a smart time to start planning. For sellers, this is your chance to prepare your home for the market ahead. Take the time now to get your property market ready, and that means you'll be ahead of the competition when activity ramps up very soon. In November, the Fraser Valley recorded 1,136 home sales, a drop of 15% from October, but still 28% higher than last November. New listings declined 26% month over month, with active inventory dipping 8%. Overall, inventory remains 30% higher than this time last year, keeping the region in a balanced market with a sales to active listings ratio of 14%. Now let's take a look at the numbers for Mission, November 2024. And the benchmark price for detached homes came in at $1,026,100, and that's up 0.9% from last month and 3.6% from last year. The sales came to 35, and that's down 28.57% from last month, but up 42.8% from last year. Active listings came in at 230, and that's down 1.5% from last month, but up 9.8% compared to November last year. We've got 7.7 months worth of inventory. Townhomes, the benchmark price here in Mission came to $678,300, and that's up 0.5% from last month and 3.4% from last year. For sales, we saw 6, and that's up slightly by 33.33% month over month, and same for year over year. Active listings came down to 39, down 15.2% from last month, and no change from last year. Months of inventory are coming in at 4.5%. Apartments here in Mission, the benchmark price came in at $463,300. That's up 0.8% and 3.2% up from last year. Sales, we saw 5, and that's up 20% from last month and 40% from last year. Active listings, we have 38, and that's down 5% from October, but still up 7.3% from last year. Months of inventory, we have 5.2%. For November, across all property types, Mission recorded a total of 46 sales in the month of November, and here's how it breaks down. Under 500,000, we had 9 sales. Between 500,000 and 800,000, we saw 9 sales. Between 800,000 and 1 million, Mission saw 10 sales. Between 1 million and 1.2, we had 8 sales. Between 1.2 million and 1.5 million, we saw 3 sales. Between 1.5 million and 2 million, Mission saw 7 sales. Now, those 7 sales are mainly small acreages. We still have not seen any sales as far as new construction, and this is going 3-4 months practically. So nobody wants to pay the GST. They are looking for value for their money, and that's what we're seeing in the numbers. The data is showing that homes under 1 million are moving steadily, while higher priced properties are seeing slower activity. And that has to do with the general economy. We're just tapped out. And that wraps up Mission's November statistics. With the Bank of Canada's decrease of 0.5%, we're likely to see increased activity and modest price growth heading into the new year. At the same time, it's important to stay informed, as our economy and global politics could still bring challenges ahead. And that's the way it is for Mission Real Estate, November 2024. If you have any questions, let's talk. I'm here to help you make the best decisions in 2025.